Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I came up with a new recipe how to make Viazi Karai in a Swahili way. Not only Swahili ways but also my mama's recipe. Sit back, relax and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredient you'll need boiled potatoes you cut into small pieces, wheat flour, turmeric, garam flour, salt to taste, chili powder, 1 lemon, coriander, grated onions and grated garlic. So on your dish, you're going to mix all the ingredients except garam flour and wheat flour. Lastly, you're going to add chili powder, but it's not a must to use chili powder, but I prefer my potatoes to be spicy. Then I'll mix everything well together and let it sit for 1 hour so that my potatoes can marinate well. Then after that, I'm going to mix my garam flour and wheat flour in a dish. Then I'll add half tablespoon of salt. Then I'll mix everything well. This mixture right here, I'll use this to fry my potatoes. So I'm going to add water so that it can be thick. And my mixture is ready. After 1 hour, my potatoes are ready and have marinated well. So I'm going to pick one potatoes one at a time and place it in the flour that I had mixed it with water. And then lastly, you'll prepare a pan, add some cooking oil, and then you're going to fry your Viazi Karai one at a time until you are done. Fry your potatoes in a low medium heat so that your potatoes can cook well. I'm only going to cook my potatoes in 2 minutes because my potatoes were already cooked. I had boiled them, so the only thing that is going to cook is the flour that I used to mix it with my potatoes. And lastly, my potatoes are ready. When your potatoes are ready, remove them on the oil and place it in a clean plate. And my Viazi Karai are ready. You can serve it with a tamarind sauce or a ketchup. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell and comment down below after you are done. And bye guys.